everyone, my name is Amber. I'm the Vice President of Information and Media for the Student Government Association, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to vote. So first of all, here's the form. You can find it online, and it's at the top of the page. It says SGA Elections. Once you click it, it's going to take you to this page. As you can see, it has all of our candidates. So the first question obviously says if you're a student or not. You would just select that indeed you are. Scrolling down. There are no candidates for A boards, but you are allowed to put in names or people that you would like to nominate for this position. Moving on, we do have actual candidates. We have the senators. You would just select whoever you would like to vote for, as so. Again, you can put in people who you would like to nominate. You would scroll down, select your candidates, and do the same thing for every single person in every single position. For some of them, there's only one candidate right now, so you can choose them or put in a different name, as I mentioned earlier. Also, one thing that the election committee added this year for the elections is going to be the ticketing question number 8. So for this question, it's basically asking you if the ticketing impacted any of your voting this year, if it made it easier, because this year we did have, teams of people that are running together, and to make it more formal, we decided to call those teams ticketing. So if it had an impact on the way you voted, you would select yes, no impact, or if it made it easier. As I mentioned previously, once you're done with that, you would just hit the submit button, and you're only allowed to vote once, so choose carefully. And thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or the chair of the election committee, Stephen Raffler, or Sandra. She's also in the election committee, and we're happy to help. Happy voting!